Hi, I'm Captain Chris. I'd like to show you a couple of things that we talk about in our Introduction to Boat Systems class. Part of it is owning a boat and learning the parts on that boat, the boat that you may own one day. Looking here, you can see a stern thruster, and this stern thruster's got these hoods to prevent the stern thruster from sucking air because it's so close to the water line, so it may suck air. And what else you're seeing here are a zinc, actually an aluminum anode for the two propellers, the port and the starboard. And here's one of the propellers. Another thing that we talk about in class are trim tabs. So when are trim tabs advantageous? When are they smart to have, or when are they not necessary at all? And that depends a lot upon the hull type. Planing hull, yes, they're good. Full displacement hull, like a true trawler, they're really not necessary because you need to go fast to make the trim tabs effective. And look at this rudder. You can see the rudder's fairly small. That's because this is a fast boat. Big rudders are drag, so they put small rudders on faster boats. And if you look here, you can see that this propeller shaft is out of alignment with this rudder, so that way if you do bend the propeller shaft, you can pull it all the way out without having to remove the rudder. So those are some other advantages and things that you'll learn in our classes before you buy a boat and then after you buy a boat. And one more thing before I go, we're looking at a straight drive boat right here with a regular transmission and drive shaft. Let's look over here to the far right. You can see a pod drive. This boat's going through some work, but this is a forward-facing duo propeller pod drive by Volvo. This is the Volvo IPS Model 500. So we'll talk about all these different things in our classes. We hope you come down to Florida and join us. So we've got Cruising 101 for our fundamentals, navigation, trip planning, anchoring, and then the other classes, boat systems, where we'll talk about the generators, the toilet systems, the propulsion engines, changing oil, changing fuel, a lot of other owner maintenance items that you can do to save money, which is the second benefit. The first money is it can keep you cruising. The first benefit is you can keep on going. You don't have to wait for a mechanic to show up to do something that you could do if only somebody showed you how to do it. If you've got any questions, ask Captain Chris or sign up at the link down here.